Hey,
Hey,
what you doing?
better than the pig. Better than...
You're playing Angry Bird action game?
Yeah?
So how does that work? You're gonna hit the pig? Where's the pig? I can't see it. So there's the yellow Angry Bird and there's the red Angry Bird. And there's the pig. Okay, so the red one, we're gonna hit it. Come on. Are you gonna hit it? Whoa! That's the bad pig, Brox, isn't it?
Bad pig.
Yeah. And there's the yellow Angry Bird,
Took
and
that.
that's red. There's
And
three of them.
Took the Angry Bird egg.
You go this way here so you can hit them. Oh, knock out.
Knock out.
You put it up again. There. Good boy. Now where's the pig?
There.
There.
Pig.
Brooks is excited to hit the pig. So are you gonna do the yellow bird or the red one?
Mommy, this is exactly the hole.
Yeah.
No,
Woo! Maybe you put the pig on the bottom. Not that one. Yeah, you go that way.
where's my egg?
We don't have the egg here. Because the pig hid it somewhere.
The pig is took the egg.
Yeah, they hide it somewhere. Okay, ready?
My egg is gone.
Yeah. So they're really mad now. The Angry Birds are really mad now because the pig took their eggs. Oh. So that was the yellow one. Oh. There's the name, Angry Bird.
No, that's wrong.
That's right. It goes that way because the two goes on that way and this one goes this way here. Okay, are you ready? Ready? Steady? Go!
Now how to put it open?
Okay. Steady.
It's done.
Boing. What you call that?
Blocks.
There's the pig.
That's the pig.
Are you putting on the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's done.
Whoa. Gotcha. You hit it.